Steelmama specializes in the development of roll-forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality C-channel machine for rack. With automated controls and a max speed of 15 to 30 meters per minute. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. For solar panel support, PV structures, and warehouses. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty.